Good morning. Today we will discuss episode number 4, block pattern. We need measure, we need pencil, sharpener, we need eraser, we need a long ruler, French curve for the hip, then we have a ruler, right? Lines that you saw yesterday in the mannequin, we will put it again in the pattern. We need a marker, don't forget that. Let's put a line here, there. This you put center front. Your mind that we are only making a half of the pattern. Okay, our hip measurement is 36, so half of 36, this is 18. So let's put a long line here. Alright, and then that hip measurement we need to divide into 2 so we can get the line of the side. 36, that is 18, divide into 2. Again, there's another note that the front is 1 inch bigger than the back. The front is 9 1/4, back is 8 3/4. There you go. Then you will put this one straight line from here to there. Side back, this is your side front, center front, and this is center back. When you cut a long piece of paper from the edge here in the top, you can make it like you put a long line into the center. From here to here, you can make you can measure 20 or 21 line like this. And what is the letter again of the waistline? This is J. Then we will go down another 4 inches, right? And another 4 inches, right? This long line across, another long line across. So this is K and this is L. And now after that, we will measure another line coming to the top. So this one is another 6 3/8, and then we have another here 1 1/2, and another here 2 1/2, the line for your bust. Remember, this is only a block. Still, we need to follow the measurement of the mannequin. So the block doesn't mean that this is the perfect measurement of in every different figure. This is the block. Our cross in the front is Y. Our cross in the back is E. This is small line here, this is under the arms. This is the bust line, so we will put letter I. If this is the bust is 35, we will 17 1/2. This is half of your cross front, half of your cross back. And all the measurement from the top to down is the full measurement. Here, because we have a butt in the back, let's go 1/2 inch. Then let's go here 3 inch. We have a dart of 1 inch. And then same thing in the front, 3 inch. Then we have 1 inch. And then this waistline 26. The front measurement should be 6 3/4. And the back measurement is 6 1/4. If you add these two, this is 13, 26 by total. Let's go down by 4. Let's connect the dart. Okay. And then let's put another dart there going to the top. That 1/2 inch that we put it in, we will make this one like that. And then in this case of the hip, For us to make sure that the hip is not too tight, we can make it 1/4 out. Hip is bigger by 1/2 inch. Let's put the dart here so it's easy for us to check if our measurement is okay for the waistline. But okay, let's try. So this is 3, then go there, 6 and 1/4 is there. This one is 3, and you go there, 6 and 3/4 is there. Let's check. So this is 3. Do not count the dart. All right, so 3 like that. So 6 and 1/4, 10, and then this one, voila, 13. So it's perfect that this is 26. You can connect this, that front, side front to the hip, and then that side back to the hip. There you go. We make already a perfect hip. Alright? Then we will go to the top. The body length of is 17. Letter C is 16. But the body length is 17. 1, 2, 3. That 3, from this is the letter C. This is letter B. Okay? Let's carve this one so we can get a nice angle. We will go like this. From this angle, you can go down by 1 inch. Our half shoulder is 4.5. So 14.5 is this. So this is here. Okay, so there. So this one is letter R. This one is letter D. Alright? And then we have letter E. And is 13.5. So half of 13.5 is 6.5 and quarter. Let's get the front figure. So 17 is here. Here you go. From the center front, let's go in by 3 inches. Let's go down by 3.25. This is only a block. Then this now our guideline. So 14.5. So it's 14 and here. It's here. Because R is 4.5. So it's perfect. There. So this one, same thing from this angle, right? You will go by quarter. You can go up by quarter. You will go down there by 1 inch. Then measure the 4.5. There you go. So this is your letter R. So 4.5 and 4.5. Our O, which is shoulder to nipple, is 9.5. Our distance, which is P, nipple to nipple, is 7. So that is, yes, there. So this is your nipple. You need to have a gap of quarter so we can get a very nice slope. Now, this is the eye line, right? But the measurement of our bust point, which is letter O, here, to give you a guide, this one, here to here is 9.5. So our line of the bust will be adjusted here. So raise for 1.25. So that means this line also will go higher by 1.25. So this is now our letter Y. Half is 6 1/4. So this is the one. Alright? And then this is this. Now we need to measure now how much is the bust. Now the new line of our letter I. 35. Let's check this one. It's very easy. This is 3 1/4 going there to 1/4 there. 13 7/8 here. It's 34.5. But our measurement is 35. So we are missing 1/4. So what we can do, put the 1/4 there, 1/8 there, and 1/8 here. We'll make like this. This is side back. So this is side front. Remember, because this part become high by 1 1/4, this line for the armhole we will raise same. So we will go higher from here 1 1/4 and another 1 1/4. Alright, this is a bit with this. What you can do, you can make a very not too visible, just fine line like that. Connect it like this. How much is our letter Q? It's 12.5. So if this is 9.5, from 9.5 like that, right, we will go down by 12.5. This is the line of letter Q. And from there, we will make a very, very nice slope like that by using the curve. Okay, like this. Like that. Same thing here. Use that straight there. Go there. We can check by our own eyes angle. Then we can adjust. Then make again a little bit here. Let's make like that. So here, going there. We have a sharp line there. We can make it a bit like that. So it's very nice slope. Then here, if we make this one like this, you need to put the curve this way. So we can get the very nice angle in the other side. So we can do it like that. There you go. There. And then you can make a very, very nice slope here. So the nipple is not like, not very sharp like that. There. And slope there. See? Not bad. Let's make it a bit straight. You like that? Alright, very nice shape. And then we do it same thing here. So it's become visible in the camera because and here is like that. Now you have a very, very nice shape. Alright, look. And then you need to connect from this side back to the shoulder. Just put the curve like that. There. And put this curve here. Connect that cross in the front to that point under the arm to have a nice curve of armhole. And then connect this one and this one. So we have front and we have back. I hope you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow we will discuss about the tracing of the pattern and putting to another paper so we can match all the details. For the meantime, let's finish for now, and